Today we're diving into an exciting topic that many of you have been asking about: the best side hustles to start in 2024. As we step into a new year, the landscape of opportunities is evolving, and there are countless ways to boost your income while pursuing your passions. In this video, we'll explore a variety of side hustles that cater to different skills and interests, from online ventures to hands-on projects. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash to pay off debt, save for a vacation, or simply want to explore a new hobby, we've got you covered. We'll break down each side hustle, discussing the potential earnings, time commitments, and what you need to get started. So, if you're ready to unlock new avenues for financial freedom and discover lucrative opportunities that fit your lifestyle, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which side hustles could be the perfect fit for you in 2024. Let's jump right in and start exploring these exciting possibilities. Understanding the side hustle landscape? As we look ahead to 2024, the side hustle landscape is more vibrant than ever. The growing popularity of side hustles reflects a significant shift in today's economy, where many individuals are seeking flexible ways to supplement their income. With rising living costs and economic uncertainties, more people are turning to side gigs to achieve financial stability and independence. Technology plays a crucial role in this trend, as advancements in digital platforms and remote work have opened up a world of opportunities. From freelancing to e-commerce, individuals can now leverage their skills and passions from the comfort of their homes. This accessibility has made it easier than ever to start a side hustle, regardless of your background or expertise. Moreover, key factors driving this movement include the desire for financial security, the pursuit of personal fulfillment, and the need for diversified income streams. Many are realizing that relying solely on a traditional job may not be enough to meet their financial goals. As we explore the side hustle options for 2024, it's essential to understand these trends and demands that are shaping the future of work and income generation. Top online side hustles. As we venture into 2024, the online side hustle scene is thriving with opportunities that cater to a wide range of skills and interests. One of the most popular avenues is freelancing, with platforms like Upwork and Fiverr leading the charge. These sites allow you to offer your services, whether it's writing, graphic design, or programming, to a global audience, giving you the flexibility to work on projects that excite you. Another lucrative option is e-commerce, which has gained immense traction in recent years. Platforms like Etsy and Shopify empower you to create your own online store, whether you're selling handmade crafts or dropshipping products. The potential for profit is significant, especially as more consumers turn to online shopping for unique and personalized items. Additionally, affiliate marketing and content creation on social media are becoming increasingly popular. By promoting products or services through your social media channels, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your unique links. This approach not only allows you to monetize your online presence, but also fosters creativity and engagement with your audience. With these online side hustles, 2024 is set to be a year of financial growth and personal fulfillment. Creative side hustles. For those with a flair for creativity, 2024 offers a wealth of unique side hustle opportunities that can turn your artistic passions into profit. One of the most rewarding avenues is graphic design, where you can create logos, marketing materials, and social media graphics for businesses and individuals. Platforms like 99 Designs and Canva make it easy to showcase your portfolio and attract clients who appreciate your style. Photography is another fantastic option for creative individuals. Whether you specialize in portraits, events, or product photography, there's a growing demand for high-quality images. You can sell your photos on stock photography websites or offer your services for local events, allowing you to monetize your skills while capturing beautiful moments. Video editing is also in high demand, especially with the rise of content creation on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. If you have a knack for storytelling through visuals, this could be the perfect side hustle for you. Additionally, consider selling handmade crafts or digital products on platforms like Etsy. From custom artwork to printable planners, the possibilities are endless. By leveraging your hobbies, you can not only earn extra income but also find fulfillment in sharing your creativity with the world. Service-based side hustles. If you're looking for side hustles that require minimal startup costs, service-oriented options are a fantastic choice. These hustles often rely more on your skills and time than on financial investment. For instance, pet sitting is a popular option for animal lovers. You can offer your services to friends, family, or neighbors, providing care for pets while their owners are away. This not only allows you to earn extra income, but also gives you the joy of spending time with furry friends. House cleaning is another viable service-based hustle. Many busy individuals and families are willing to pay for help keeping their homes tidy. With just a few cleaning supplies and a reliable schedule, you can start offering your services in your local area. Tutoring is also a great option, especially if you have expertise in a particular subject. Whether it's math, science, or language, many students and parents are looking for extra help. Networking and local marketing are crucial for success in these ventures. Utilize social media, community boards, and word of mouth to spread the word about your services. By assessing your skills and offering them within your community, you can create a fulfilling side hustle that fits your lifestyle. Investing as a side hustle. Investing can be a highly profitable side hustle, offering the potential for significant returns over time. One of the most popular avenues is stock trading, where individuals buy and sell shares of companies. With the rise of online trading platforms, getting started has never been easier. However, it's essential to conduct thorough research and understand market trends before diving in. Real estate is another lucrative option for those looking to invest. Whether you choose to buy rental properties or engage in house flipping, real estate can provide a steady stream of passive income. It's important to analyze the local market and consider factors like property value and rental demand to make informed decisions. Cryptocurrency has also gained traction as an investment opportunity. While it can be volatile, many investors have seen substantial gains by carefully selecting coins and timing their trades. Regardless of the investment path you choose, risk management is crucial. Always be aware of the potential downsides and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Starting small and gradually building your investment portfolio allows you to learn and adapt without overwhelming yourself. With patience and diligence, investing can become a rewarding side hustle, balancing a side hustle with full-time work. Managing a side hustle while maintaining a full-time job can be challenging, but with the right strategies, it's entirely achievable. The first step is to set clear goals and priorities. Determine what you want to accomplish with your side hustle, whether it's generating extra income, developing a new skill, or pursuing a passion. Having specific goals will help you stay focused and motivated. Creating a structured schedule is essential for effective time management. Allocate specific time blocks during your week dedicated to your side hustle, whether it's early mornings, evenings, or weekends. Consistency is key, so try to stick to this schedule as much as possible to build momentum. Utilizing productivity tools can also enhance your efficiency. Consider using apps like Trello or Asana to organize tasks and track progress. Time management techniques, such as the Pomodoro technique, can help you maintain focus by breaking work into manageable intervals with short breaks in between. Lastly, don't forget to take care of yourself. Balancing a side hustle and full-time work can be demanding, so ensure you're getting enough rest and downtime. With clear goals, a structured schedule, and the right tools, you can successfully juggle both commitments and thrive. Conclusion. In this video, we've explored a variety of side hustles that can help you boost your income and pursue your passions in 2024. From online opportunities like freelancing and e-commerce to creative ventures in graphic design and photography, there's something for everyone. We also discussed service-based hustles that require minimal startup costs, as well as the potential of investing as a profitable side hustle. Each of these options offers unique benefits, whether it's flexibility, creativity, or financial growth. The key takeaway is the importance of taking action. Starting a side hustle may seem daunting, but with clear goals and a structured approach, you can turn your aspirations into reality. Remember, every successful journey begins with a single step, so don't hesitate to dive in and explore what works best for you. If you found this content helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on side hustles and financial growth. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who might also benefit from these ideas. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you, so thank you for being part of our community.